Arrested on allegations of murder in the second degree.
Deborah Green Davis made her first appearance in court today. The 72-year-old grandmother is accused of shooting and killing her own granddaughter, 31-year-old Larkia Elliott.
This situation is incredibly emotional for the family involved. It's incredibly emotional for the community, the neighbors here tonight, and it's very emotional for the first responders who did everything they could to try to save this young woman's life tonight.
Newly released court documents reveal that Green Davis called 911 when her daughter and granddaughter were fighting. That's when detectives say Elliott, the granddaughter, came into the room and tried taking the phone away by punching Green Davis. Elliott and her mom started physically fighting again, and Green Davis reportedly pulled out a gun and shot her granddaughter in the back. She died at the scene.
Domestic violence, unfortunately, is prevalent.
Rachel Gatacha is the chief program leader with Chrysalis, a Valley nonprofit that helps survivors of domestic violence. Data shows Arizona has the 5th highest rate of domestic violence in the country, and unfortunately, it doesn't slow down this time of year.
During the holiday time, we always see an uptick in domestic violence cases and just altercations within families. It's a hard time being around family and the different dynamics that the holidays can bring up for people.
Gatacha wants people to know that resources and support are available to victims of domestic violence.
No abuse is ever okay, even if it is normal maybe in your family circles or your friend circles, and that you always deserve to be free from abuse and free from violence.
And if you are a victim of domestic violence or know someone in an unsafe situation, you can always call the 24/7 hotline right there on the bottom of the screen. We also have some more resources and support listed on our website, azfamily.com. Reporting in Buckeye, Emma Lockhart for Arizona's Family.
Thanks. Good morning, ma'am. May I have your name and date of birth?
My name is Deborah Elisa Green Davis.
Is your date of birth June 9th, 1953?
Correct.
All right. We are here today on Superior Court in new case. You were arrested on allegations of murder in the second degree, which is a Class 1 felony. I will find probable cause, and I will appoint you an attorney. I'm setting a status conference on December 23rd at 8:30 and a preliminary hearing on December 26th at 8:30, both in the downtown Superior Court. I am going to issue a cash bond today in the amount of $500,000. That does mean you can use a bonding company. Bonding companies are going to set their own terms on cash bonds, but you'll have access to the bonding companies when you get back to custody. If you do post that bond, I'm also ordering that pretrial services supervise you in the community and that they install an ankle monitor on you prior to your release. If you do post that bond, I'm also ordering that you not return to the scene of any alleged crime, no contact with any alleged victim, complainant, or witness, no contact with the arresting officers, no weapons, no drugs without a valid prescription, and no driving without a valid driver's license. This will all be in your paperwork. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Not a problem. Grab that paperwork from the officer, and then they'll take you back out to process.
Okay.
I'll take you back up, okay?
Okay.
Watch your legs.
Thank you.
Thank you.